Hello everyone. Good morning, good morning. Welcome back to my blog. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's blog, I'm cutting watermelon. Is look like it's overripe already. It's very sweet and soft. It's overripe, so it's good. Watermelon is overripe, so it's like too ripe, overripe already. It's so sweet. I hope it's like, let's see, sugary. See? Oh, it's too sweet, but it's look like so much water already. Is watery. Is too right. May gonna shout out to all the viewers, subscribers. Hello everyone. Hello. It's me again. It's Pinay Vlog. Happy Thursday to you all. Happy Thursday. It's weekend again. Enjoy the rest of your day and have a good day and happy Thursday. Enjoy watching watermelon cutting and have a lovely day, everyone. So, mega like shout out to all the viewers, to all the viewers, subscribers. Hello, everyone. It's Megan Espina Vlog. Please don't forget to like and share, subscribe my YouTube channel. It's Megan Espina Vlog. Thank you for watching. God bless so long and see you again soon for the next vlog. Good vibes only. Love you guys and take care and God bless. So long and have a good day. Enjoy the rest of your day and happy Thursday to all and happy Thursday, everyone. And take care and God bless. So long and see you again soon for the next vlog. Thank you for watching. It's watermelon, cutting watermelon for today. Thank you and God bless you all.